Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more knowledgeable interesting video. Today in this video we're going to talk about a very interesting amendment proposed in Finance Bill 2023, and this amendment is about section 44 ADA, right? I would say that this is a section of Income Tax Act 1961 that says that any professional who is opting this section have to pay 50% of net profit, right? So this is the background of this section. Professionals like me, chartered accountants, advocates, company secretaries, doctors, engineers, architects who are carrying on professional activities can avail the benefit. Actually, it is not a benefit. The tax rate of 50% is not a beneficial, right? Not the tax rate, sorry, it is NP rate. The NP rate of 50% actually is not beneficial at all. I think there is no profession exists in this world that says 50% of NP rate, right? It is not, I think it is not possible for a professional in recent time, because every professional has to pay rent, has to pay salaries. So the expenses are hefty and competition is there. So on every transaction, making 50% of net profit is quite difficult. So the section seems to be good just on the papers, but seems to be very difficult. In practicality. But one amendment has been proposed in the Finance Bill 2023, and the amendment is that let's talk about the existing situation. The section says that any assessee is eligible to avail the benefit of section 44 AD if that assessee have turnover of up to 50 lakh rupees, right? Then this assessee can declare NP rate at the rate 50% on this turnover, right? In Finance Bill 2023, this turnover limit has been increased by rupees 25 lakh. So the new turnover limit is 75 lakh. If you are a professional, you are opting for section 44 ADA, then you can opt it if your turnover is up to 75 lakh rupees. But there is a rider, there is a condition that your cash receipts should not exceed 5% of your gross receipts or turnover, right? So here is a condition, here is a rider, that the extended turnover limit of 75 lakh is applicable on you if you are a professional and opting for 44 ADA, right? But you have to satisfy one condition, that your gross receipts, right, the cash component of the receipts should not exceed 5% of the total gross receipt. It means that you can accept cash up to rupees 3,75,000 if your turnover is 75 lakh rupees. You are a professional opting for 44 ADA. Then the cash acceptance limit for you is just 3,75,000 rupees. And if you are accepting more cash from your clients, from your customers, then you are not eligible for section 44 ADA extended limit of 75 lakh rupees. This is the important rider, right? This is the important condition that you have to satisfy if you want to enjoy the extended limit of 75 lakh rupees in section 44 ADA. There is no limit as such. If your turnover is up to 50 lakh rupees, you can very well opt for section 44 ADA, right? So what is the logic behind this amendment? The logic behind this amendment first is to promote cashless economy, right? As maximum corruption, maximum tax evasion takes place when the huge transactions happens in cash. Cash has no trail. Nobody can track from where the cash is coming, where it is going, right? So it is difficult to plug tax evasion. It is difficult to trace black money when the volume of the transaction is more into cash, right? So it is the intention of the lawmakers that that the every section of the Income Tax Act should work towards this vision of making the economy as a cashless economy, because the because the more we have, more we have the system of opting for banking transactions, right, the less tax evasion would be there, the less black money we have in the system, and the country will prosper, economy will grow in that direction. The second logic is ease of doing business, right? Ease of doing business, right? Sections like Section 44 ADA and Section 44 AD are the sections for presumptive taxation, where there is no need to maintain regular books of accounts, where there is no need to maintain detailed records, where there is no need to get the books of accounts audited, where there is no need to fill the detailed income tax returns that runs into 40-50 pages, right? So this is a one step towards ease of doing business, so that if you are a small businessman, you are a medium or small enterprise, then you can opt for sections like 44 ADA or section 44 AD, right? Whatever is relevant, whatever is applicable to you. So these are the two logics that I can see behind this amendment proposed in Finance Bill 2023. So if you have any query relating to Income Tax Act, to the Budget 2023, to the Finance Bill 2023, then you can please post your query in the comment box. We will reply to that query. If you really like this video, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel. We will soon coming with lot of updates relating to Finance Bill 2023. So stay tuned in. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.